Making beautiful, creative, and fun plant containers is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Or in this case, remembering the words thriller, filler, and spiller. Thrillers are the big, bold focal point of your container plant designs. This plant provides an eye-catching vertical element. Tall grasses and spiky blooming plants work perfectly for thrillers. Fillers are mid-sized mounding or rounded plants that surround and enhance the thriller and fill the space in the planter. You can use 1, 2, or 3 different fillers in your container design. Spillers are splashy plants that cascade and tumble over the sides of the container. Have some fun with your container gardening design with popular choices like trailing begonias or sweet potato vines. Using the 3-step thriller, filler, and spiller method removes the complication from container flower gardening, allowing you to have fun and exercise your creative muscle.